The Faroe Marine Research Institute, Havstofan, is a governmental institute with the objective to conduct research on the marine climate and ecosystem in Faroese waters with the emphasis on commercially exploited fish stocks, to communicate the results to the fishing industry and general public, and to provide the government of the Faroe Islands with advice based on its research. In order to accomplish these goals, regular research cruises are conducted with the Institute's research vessel, Magnus Heinesson, focusing on the different components of the ecosystem. Through these activities, the Faroe Marine Research Institute has collected time series on the physical conditions as well as the different trophic levels of the ecosystem. Fisheries technology and methods are also studied. On a yearly basis, the Institute provides the government with stock assessments and advice of the main demersal fish species, such as cod, haddock, and saithe in Faroese waters, and of straddling stocks such as blue whiting, herring, and mackerel. Scientific results are reported in international scientific journals and meetings, and in a more general form to the Faroese public through articles and talks. The Faroe Marine Research Institute cooperates with a number of research groups in other countries and participates in several national and international projects. The staff at Faroe Marine Research Institute holds 35, plus a crew of 15 on the research vessel.